Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to make a Valentine box card today on our Wednesday remake. I started to say Wednesday remake, on our Wednesday remake. And these are not hard to make at all. They're very, very cute. And we made it probably a couple of years ago, I think, a couple of years ago at Valentine's Day. But you're going to need a piece of paper that is 11 by 8.5 inches, and I'm using just a cardstock. Well, I'm using a design paper cardstock. So this is out of the Romance bundle that I think we might still have in the shop. If we do, I'll link it below. All right, on the 11-inch side, what you're going to do is you're going to score at 2.5, at 4, at 7, 7, and 8.5. Okay, then you're going to turn it one turn, and then on the 8.5 inch side, you're going to score at 1.5 inches, and then you're going to turn it all the way around to the other one, and you're going to score at 1.5. So that's your score lines right there. Now, you see where, and let me pull this up. Let me go ahead and burnish it, and then you can see these score lines in the center, because we're going to have to use those. And excuse the dog from barking. The FedEx guy come up and he's going crazy. He does not like them. Okay, right here between this score line and this score line, that will be your center score lines. You're going to mark that center there, and I'm just going to mark mine with a pencil if I can find one. Let's see. There we go. And if you don't have a Tim Holtz ruler, then it's 1.5 inches would be your center. And I'm just putting a mark on mine so that I can see where that is. So I am going to put that on the center right there, and then I'm just going to mark a little mark right there so I can see it. Let me see that. Maybe you can see where I marked it right there. Okay, and we're going to flip it around. I'm going to do the same thing, and when I have a paper like this, it's pretty hard to see the score lines. I just pull that edge up so I can mark my score lines. And I'm going to put this back down to 1.5, and mark this end. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scoring tool, and right here, I'll mark these for you so you can see right there where those score lines intersect. So there's one coming this way, one going that way, one coming this way, one going that way. What we're going to do is put our ruler right there, and then right on that mark that we just made, and we're going to pull that down and make a little score line right there. Then you're going to do from the other side, same thing. Alright, and then you're going to flip it around to this side and do the same exact thing that you did over there. Alright, we've got those score lines made, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of burnish them a little bit, and then you can see them a lot better too. So see, that's what we did right there. And then I'm just going to burnish a little bit on this side. This makes it easier when you start folding everything. Alright, and now what we're going to do is right here, you're going to hold it with it, the long part facing you this way, and right here on each side, you're going to cut up to that second score line. So you've cut up to that second score line. Let me see if I can hush him up. I will be right back. Okay, so hopefully that will last for a little while. I got him hushed for a minute. Now you've got two boxes here. This first one is a rectangle, and you're going to cut that one away, just like that. You're going to do the same thing on all four sides. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this, and you're just going to go ahead and wedge these little pieces right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead. He is still barking. My husband has gone out there to try to settle him down. There's a big truck over at the neighbor's house, and he is not liking it. But anyway, I have decided I want to use this side for my outside. So what I want to do is I want to flip it like this. So that will be the way that it'll go together. So if you cut your paper right, it doesn't matter which way you flip it. You can just change your score lines and flip it over. All right, and now what we want to do, I went ahead and wedged these little tabs here. What we want to do is glue these tabs on the back right here. And no, you can't glue them on the inside, it'll mess up. So just glue them on the back right here, all the way around on all four sides, just like that. So I'm just going to use my art glitter glue. And then I am just going to bring those corners up together right there, and then press that tab down, just like that. So bring that corner up, match it along with that corner, and then just press it down. And then I just flip it over and just run my finger over there and make sure that that glue has caught really well. And you want to do all the sides the same way. There you go, you've got those glued together, and then you can press this in, and that will lay down, and then that will go just like that. And I go ahead and take my bone folder. Let me see if I can find it. I have got so many things on my desk. Take my bone folder, and I go ahead and I press all of that down really well, all the edges. And I flip it over and do the same thing over here. Now this is going to be your front part, and see your box will open up just like that. So it's a box card. You can put money down in there, gift card, whatever. And we are going to put, I punched out these little pieces. They've got the little hearts in them. And we're going to put those down through there. And I'm sorry, he is starting up again. He's just not happy. Hopefully he's not too distracting to you. He's a good guard dog, but boy, when he gets started, he gets started. Okay, so put those right down the edge there, and this is just a punch that I have had for a long time. I think I've used it in a couple of videos. Just like that. Then we'll do the same thing over here. And if you want to, the measurements on this exact, these are 5.5 inches. You want to do that. Now you can also come back and put some paper, a different color paper on the inside if you want, but I'm going to leave mine with all those hearts there like that. Okay, then we're going to put a belly band on it, and your belly band is 3/4 of an inch by 11 inches. Now I will show you the way I do my belly bands. I don't score them up front. I put them on my card, put it kind of in the center like that, and then I just fold it around. And then I bring this one over and I fold it around. That way I don't, score in the wrong place or whatever. And then on the back, you want to glue that together, and just don't glue it too tight because you want them to be able to slide the belly band off when they get it. So glue it down about right there. That will hold your card closed, but they'll still be able to slide it off. And then I'm probably going to put that right there on the top of mine. Put foam tape right across the center, right there, so that I don't glue my card, this little card, to this card so that it won't open. So just put that down, and then place your little card across there, And then when they slide this off, of course the card will go with it. Just like that. And they'll be able to open it up and see what they have inside. Just like that. And there is your card. And of course, we're going to put some bling on there. You know, we got to put bling on it. And I think I'm just going to use a few pieces of this deep colored red right there. I'm just going to put that in the center of those little flowers on there, those little lace flowers. So just like that. And if you wanted to, you could go ahead and put a couple of pieces of bling out here. I might put a couple of white pieces out there just to give it a little bit more. Bring that white out there onto that black. If I can get them in the center. There we go. One more over here. And there is your card. And you can decorate it up any way you want. You can dress it up really, really nice. But that is what I am going to make on this one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for joining us for Wednesday Remake. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.